Lawyers have read it. What is a case that messed you up more than you expected? I was a public defender for a few years, and one case still keeps me up at night. Guy in his 30s gets picked up for shoplifting. Not a huge deal. Normally, it's plead down to a fine or probation. I figure it would be routine. Then I sat down with him. Turns out he stole baby formula and some diapers. He had just lost his job, his wife left, and he was trying to take care of his kid alone. He told me he hadn't eaten in 2 days because he was making sure the baby got fed first. Legally, theft is theft. I had to treat it like any other case. But the prosecutor didn't care about the details. She pushed for the max because he had a prior misdemeanor from years before. Technically, she was within her rights, but it felt like she was trying to make an example out of him. We went to court, and I argued my ass off. I laid everything out. The guy wasn't some career criminal. He was a desperate dad. The judge didn't budge. They gave him jail time. Watching him get cuffed while his mom sat in the back holding the baby was brutal. Here's the kicker. A week later, I saw a wealthy client I wasn't representing, some banker's kid, walk out of the same courtroom with just a slap on the wrist for possession. And I mean actual hard drugs, not diapers and formula. That was the moment it clicked how unfair the system can be. I know as a lawyer you're supposed to keep a wall between yourself and the client. Do the job, move on, don't carry it home. But I couldn't shake it. I kept thinking about that kid and whether she'd grow up thinking her dad was a criminal when all he did was try to take care of her. That case burned me out faster than anything. It made me realize the law doesn't always care about right or wrong, just about rules on paper. Sometimes those rules crush people who don't deserve it. I eventually left public defense because of cases like that. I don't regret being a lawyer, but I regret learning firsthand how cold the system really is.